life is a battlefield, wherever you look. A constant war of words and emotions. You spend every waking moment fighting and scrapping to bring your enemies to their knees, but it just never ends. Because the real battle, the one that you are so desperate to win, it takes place inside. How do you stay strong without losing your mind?
Please, I need you.
He'll be by himself in the morning. I'll make sure of that. Look, shh. I don't want any details. Just do what you gotta do.
Kidding me?
All right. How's things going, Lisa?
Well, first I found out she slept with Mac behind Nathan's back. Then I told him what I thought of him, so now I've lost my job and my home. Happy days.
Lisa had an affair with Mac.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm just gonna have to go and sort out some stuff at the pub.
No.
Oh, this online boycott's getting worse, and I can't let Dad show his face behind the bar.
You can't rush over there now.
He's gonna put us out of business. Where's my keys?
Can't we do brunch?
James, what is your problem?
He deserves to be by himself. At least for a little while longer. Stew in his own loneliness. Please. I bought pastries.
These things are like concrete.
Yeah, because you mess with the oven. I flipping know how to make mince pies. Now I'm going to have to go and get some more, aren't I? Oh, Rocky, what's happened to you?
I slept in the shower.
Daft thing.
Was that Mac?
I slipped.
She didn't slip. That was Mac. I know it was. He kills Nita. He attacks Jack. And now come on, bro. What do you think you're doing? You're going to teach Mac a lesson? That's not going to make things right. Then what am I supposed to do?
Well, I think a toast is in order to you finally realizing what a manipulative, sordid, dirty man your father is.
Just try and contain that glee a tad, Mother.
Oh, please. I mean, this is just a weight off my shoulders.
It will be. Well, we were talking about the alibi you're giving Daddy.
James, I've told you where I stand on that, okay?
Ellie.
No, look, I know that Dad let us down, okay, but I am not sending our dad to prison.
Tell them, James. I am sick of this. I am sick of that man getting away with everything. Tell them what he did to you.
What is it? What did he do to you?
When we were kids, Dad systematically beat me.
Oh, Ellie, look at you. Yeah, go on. Go on, keep going, keep going. Go on. Yes, go on. Be your dad, please. Oh, Ellie, that's brilliant.
It just seemed like everything I did, how I walked, talked, who I was, made him angry.
you? How could you not know?
Do you think I haven't asked myself that question?
You are lying. No, you are both lying.
What?
That's what this is all about, isn't it? You want us to hate him so that I withdraw my alibi. Yeah, the affair with Lisa, that wasn't enough to turn us, so you two have got together and you've just made all of this up.
Ellie, no!
Dad, hitting his kids. No, he wouldn't.
I have cried myself to sleep so many times asking the same thing. I'm his son. Why is he doing this to me? But he did.
No! He didn't lay a finger on us. He wouldn't even raise his voice. No, he's the sort of dad that came to our school plays and did our homework with us. You know, he couldn't even tell me off without laughing.
That's because you were his perfect little princess and I was his pathetic little queer.
I'm not listening to this.
No. I'm not having this. Dad was not a homophobe.
You two. You've both gone too far.
Did Nathan know before he died? Did he know that you were having an affair with his dad? He did? He should have been with me!
What do you want me to say? Huh? I hate who I am, Cleo, and I hate the fact that he's gone, but I can't change any of it. And I've lost my chance with Brody. Ellie hates me, and you're the only friend I've got left.
Friend. I am gonna show you what pain really feels like.
Oi! You've dented this. It's my lucky shaker. I've had it for years.
You lucky shaker. Brody, listen, mate, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Give it here. Let me see.
Stop! Stop! Just go outside. Just give us a minute. Please.
I'm sorry. I haven't slept all night, and you've been ignoring my calls, and I thought.
Just go upstairs. Come on. And you just want to sleep it off. Maybe have a shower or something.
You can always count on you, can't you? Ollie, I'm so tired. Love you.
Oh, you're gonna wake up with such a headache tomorrow.